if you have a problem with your thesis statement, many times either it's not quite clear or it doesn't quite match up or answer what the prompt was. Here's an example of that. George Orwell. This is the prompt. So this is the prompt that needs to be answered for an essay. George Orwell used the novel 1984 as a warning for current and future societies to be aware of the ways a totalitarian government can gain and keep control over a large population. Choose one of those methods and make a connection with a modern day example. All right, so that's the prompt that they have to respond to. And here's an example. Here would be an example introduction for that prompt. Propaganda is used worldwide by almost every government. Whether you want to believe it or not, this propaganda can be good or bad. This means citizens could be lied to each and every day and have no idea. However, sometimes governments create propaganda and deceive their citizens to try and protect them from knowing too much. Now, here comes your thesis statement right here, right at the end of the intro. We see the government use propaganda to deceive and hold control over its citizens in the novel 1984 by George Orwell. All right, so there are two things wrong with that. You want to try to avoid using we in that thesis statement. But most importantly, this thesis statement only refers to the fact that propaganda is used in the book 1984 to deceive and control its citizens. That's only part of what that prompt is asking, right? Because the prompt says here that we need to make a connection with that book. And here we don't mention that connection. All right, we don't mention that connection. So we need to rewrite our thesis to more accurately answer the prompt. And this is actually a simple fix. North Korea and Big Brother both use propaganda to deceive and to keep control over its citizens. All right, so now our thesis answers and accurately reflects what the prompt was.